Audios are the main reason by which your message will reach your potential clients or audience. We've provided you with some recommendations on how to make an effective recording, which you can find on our YouTube and Vimeo channels, or our website, sas2.co. Once you've checked that out, here we will see how to upload that recording to Phantom RVM to start spreading your message. As the first step, please go to portal.rvm.sas2.co. Once there, you must log in. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Now, you will see some tabs on top. Please click on Audio tab. Please note that from this tab, you can check, listen, add or delete to audios managed by your campaigns. You are now in Audio page. To add a new audio, please click on Add New button. A new window will come up. Set a name for the audio file and browse through your computer to upload it. You have to certify that your audio file meets the requirements. Otherwise, you won't be able to upload it. Once you are done, click on Save button. You will see that your audio has been successfully uploaded. If you would like to delete an audio, please select the audio. Once you have selected it, please click on Delete Selected. A new window will come up asking for your confirmation. To continue, click on Delete button. This is how easy you can manage your audio files for your campaigns. Thanks for watching.